I think it's really great that all of you have chosen to join this fellowship. And I must say it was an extremely wise and bold decision each one of you have taken. And to also open yourself out to fellows, so to say. And I think the richness of what you got out of it is the participation that you gave to yourself. And I also take this opportunity to thank all the mentors like Pranshu did. I think it is really great that you took the time off to kind of, energize this young group of people that I believe will make a huge difference to get the conversations going. In a larger context, if you see, Nokia or other large multinational companies, whether of Indian origin or otherwise, are taking upon themselves to become responsible in every possible way, whether it's in their own processes. So if you look at our factory operations, we look at our sales operations, our after sales and so on. As a company, Nokia believes very strongly in sustainability, in about e-waste and everything else. At the same time, we are also as individuals responsible for the world that we live in and the destiny that we create for ourselves and for our future generations. As I walked through this hall, I said there was one reason that I'm very happy that I'm in Hyderabad after a long time. Second is, of course, as I walked through this hall, I was absolutely amazed the kind of creativity that has been kind of put together by all of you in expressing your thoughts and ideas. So a big round of applause to all of you. Whether the way you presented them in the scopes or in those puzzles, the large size puzzles to kind of get the ideas across, it's absolutely mind-blowing. And I know I'll be seeing a lot of the stuff out here on the stage. I'm looking forward to it. I had the opportunity to be on August 3rd with your colleagues in Delhi. And I must say that they were hugely excited about the opportunity that they got and also the learning that they got through this process. The kind of work that they showed, the way they innovatively presented ideas was amazing, and it was very energizing for me personally. And I'm quite sure that I'll be again, hugely energized by what you're going to be presenting to all of us today. I don't want to take much time, but to say that thank you very much for being part of this journey, and to the mentors, and to Pranshu, Manjari, Induja, and the Oxfam family for making this entire thing happen. I would also kind of say that I was very, very pleasantly, surprised, wrong word, but I was very, very happy that the kind of energy that you put in. I heard numbers of tens of thousands of people that you've reached out in your outreach program. That's very special. I think what you've done here is stupendous. And we hope that, when you look back, this particular initiative that you participated in, that you'll realize that it was something that enriched your way of thinking and probably the thinking of many people around you. I've been through such journeys myself in the past, not necessarily around sustainability, but larger themes on how we can make a difference to life around us. And those kind of journeys have been for me one of self-discovery in one end, and the other one is to also enrich others that, joined the journey with me. So I'm quite certain that you will have absolutely look back at this 1 year with a lot of, pride on what you did, and also that you will continue to kind of keep the network going. I always believe that these networks are very special, and in today's day and times of social media, I'm quite certain you'll find innovative ways beyond what Oxfam and Nokia can create to stay in touch and to also spread the message out. So thank you very much for your participation.